Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm just going to be playing around with some new makeup, and then I'm also going to use some favorites. I am definitely no pro, and I guess let's get started. The first thing I always do when I'm doing my makeup is the Stick Natural Lip Balm. Jack Black has men's products, but is lip balm really just a men's product? It is the only lip balm that I found that does not dry my lips out more. It's similar to Burt's Bees, except Burt's Bees has a stronger scent. This has a scent, but it's not as strong, and I love it. I'm going to start with my brows. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm in the shade Ebony, and I tend to start with this eyebrow from the tail because sometimes if I start on the inside, it gets a little too bold. Such a good thing that eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I have been using this Essence Make Me Brow, the shade 02 Brownie Brows. I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. I'm just going to take this damp Ecotools sponge. I'm going to take the Colourpop and KathleenLights Dream St eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. I think it is so beautiful. I'm going to take this shade. I'm just going to set my lids with that. Honestly, was thinking it was lighter than this. It's going to be fine. I'm just going to take this shade right here, buff it into my crease. This warm shade right here. It's like kind of a brick color almost. And with the same brush, buff that also into my crease. A little more precise. This beautiful red shade, be a little bit more precise and not bring it into the crease as much. I brought it a little bit more in to my lid. It's a beautiful metallic like rose gold. They're perfectly good with a brush, but I just prefer to use my finger to pack it on. So I'm just gonna put that all over. Take this brush and blend it all out with no extra product on it. I think I want to deepen up this look just a little bit. This one right here, I'm just gonna put this into my outer V. And then just blend it into the crease a little bit so it gives that gradient effect. Same other brush that I was using, and this shade right here, and highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with it. Curl my lashes. I'm not going to put on mascara yet. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Porefessional. But I need a primer that is a dupe for this. Wish Benefit would go cruelty free. I do have a couple of products that I'm going to use from Benefit today, but not repurchase these. I'm going to use what I have left. I just put this on my nose because I get very oily on my nose. I actually do get kind of dry everywhere else. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. It's very moisturizing. I'm going to take number 7 Lift and Luminate foundation. I'm in the shade Deeply Beige. I love this stuff. It is so beautiful, so natural. I love that it has a pump. Then I'm going to take that same Shape Tape concealer in medium that I used earlier, go underneath my eyes. You don't need much. A little bit goes a long way. And then I just barely put like some down in the middle of the face and on the chin. Put some around my mouth because I have darkness there. Blend it out. I have personally never tried the Beauty Blender. I almost feel like there is no need to because there are so many good sponges at the drugstore. Then I am gonna take this Tarte Smooth Operator Finishing Powder. This is a little sample size that I got for free. I'm not gonna purchase this. So I just take some of that powder and set places that I put my concealer. I will pack on more powder around my nose because my nose gets so oily. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. And I just take some more of that and I'll use it to set the rest of my face. Take this shade, put that color on my lower lash line. This shade and do it closer to my lash line. I'm gonna take this dark color and I'm just gonna do it very close, but I'm not gonna take it all the way in. Then I'm gonna take my finger into this shade again and put it also on my lower lash line. Blend it together. I'm going to take the Benefit Roller Lash. I love this mascara. Please let me know if you know of a dupe. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I know everyone and their grandma loves it. I'm taking it in the shade Bronzer. I really want to try their new shades. I don't really contour. I just like to bronze. It's so crazy. We can look on the viewfinder and it looks like I have like this hardcore like contour going on. It's not what it looks like in person. That brush is definitely to contour with, and if I'm ever feeling feisty and I just want to contour really hardcore, then I will, but I'm not feeling that way. Next, I am going to take this Burt's Bees blush in the shade Bare Peach. I am going to take Tartiest Pro Glow To Go palette. I'm going to take the top shade here, which is called Gleam. And I don't highlight much on the nose or the chin, just a little tiny baby bit. I am going to take this Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this stuff, and just set my whole face. It just makes everything blend together and more natural. I'm going to take this Ultra Satin Lip from Colourpop. This is from the KathleenLights and Colourpop collection as well. This is in the shade Dreamy. And I'm just going to apply that. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you liked this video. Subscribe if you aren't already to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You don't know, I'm wearing pajamas. What the flying forking? Just look at how much my hair's fallen out since I started this video.